They're real shelter. There's false shelter and real shelter. Ashraya means shelter. So durashraya. Durashraya means bad shelter. Not a very good shelter. So, this is the first point of bhakti. It starts here. It starts with the guru. It's like music. If you want to become a master of music and theory and so many things, well, it starts with getting a music teacher. You get a music teacher, that's a good start. And we'll see how much music theory and everything one can develop. So, Krishna Chakravarti, he gives some good commentaries on these points. He says that when one receives a mantra, when one has a guru, he receives diksha, mantra diksha, he receives initiation into a sacred mantra. So it says that the guru's internal spiritual mood of service to Radha Giridhari, or Radha and Krishna, is conveyed or transferred to the disciple through the medium of a mantra. Everything is given in seed form within the mantra. At first, the disciple will not be able to understand, but by performing sadhana and bhajan under the guidance of Sri Gurudev, by meditating on the mantra given by him, gradually everything will be revealed. The mantra is a direct representation of Sri Gurudev.